Everyone thinks the stock market rewards the smartest investors, but here's the truth. Some of the biggest fortunes in America weren't built by chasing exciting stocks. They were built by owning boring ones. So why do millions of investors keep making the same expensive mistake? Imagine opening your investing app on a Monday morning. You see one stock up 22%, another is up 35%. Social media is filled with people saying, "This is the next Nvidia." You immediately think, if I don't buy now, I'll miss out. That feeling is called FOMO, and it's exactly how many investors lose money. By the time a stock is trending everywhere, many professional investors have already made their profits. Retail investors often arrive when the excitement is at its highest, and that's usually when the risk is highest too. Here's something surprising. The companies that create the most long-term wealth usually don't make headlines every day. Think about Microsoft, Visa, Costco. These companies rarely double in a week. They aren't exciting. They're consistent. Year after year, they continue growing their business, and over time, their stock prices have reflected that growth. That's because in the long run, stock prices tend to follow business performance. A company with growing revenue, healthy profits, strong cash flow, and manageable debt has a much better chance of creating long-term value than a company driven only by hype. Now compare that to a stock that's suddenly going viral. The price shoots up because everyone is talking about it, but when the excitement fades, the price often falls just as quickly. This is why experienced investors spend less time watching stock charts and more time understanding the business behind the stock. So how do you find strong companies? Ask yourself these three simple questions. First, has the company consistently grown over the last 5 to 10 years? Great businesses don't need explosive growth, they need steady growth. Second, is the company profitable? And can it comfortably manage its debt? Strong businesses survive difficult markets, weak businesses don't. Third, would you still feel confident owning this company if the stock market closed for the next 5 years? If your answer is no, you probably don't understand the business well enough. Here's the lesson. Building wealth isn't about finding one stock that goes up 1,000% overnight. It's about buying great businesses, holding them patiently, and allowing compound growth to work in your favor. The investors who build lasting wealth aren't usually the ones making the most trades. They're the ones making the fewest costly mistakes. So the next time you see a stock exploding higher, don't ask, how much money can I make? Instead ask, is this a great business? Or is it just great hype? That single question could completely change the way you invest. If you enjoy learning practical investing strategies based on long-term success instead of short-term hype, subscribe to Capital Coach. Because real wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time. Thanks for watching.